From novice to net gains, mastering online earning for beginners. Are you bored of the daily grind and seeking methods to earn money online? You are not alone. With the advancement of technology and the internet, individuals today have endless opportunities to earn a job from the comfort of their own homes. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Say I subscribed. Our team at Cash Summit Squad will try to personally reply to your comment. In this video, we'll give essential insights and methods to help you move from beginner to net profit in no time. Prepare to understand online income opportunities. In today's digital age, earning money online has become a profitable and popular choice for many people. With the advancement of technology and the internet, there are several options for people to earn money from the comfort of their own homes. However, for newcomers, navigating the world of online income prospects can be daunting and perplexing. That is why, in this video segment, we will go over the many types of online income prospects and offer advice on how to make the most of them. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most common ways to earn money online. It entails leveraging your skills or talents to deliver services to clients on a project basis. This could involve writing, graphic design, web development, virtual support, and others. The benefit of freelancing is that you can work on your own terms and choose clients that match your abilities and interests. To succeed as a freelancer, you must first establish your skills and niche in order to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. Building a strong portfolio and networking with potential clients are also important for securing long-term business. Setting realistic goals for earning money online. People are increasingly turning to the internet as a means of earning a living, which has led to the rise of a trend that has been increasingly popular in recent years: making money online. On the other hand, for those who are just starting out, it can be quite difficult and daunting to navigate through the large sea of options and really make a profit. It is therefore essential to establish goals that are achievable when it comes to making money online. Understanding that producing money online is not a get-rich-quick plan is the first step in the process of defining realistic goals at the same time. The establishment of a prosperous internet business or source of income requires a significant investment of time, energy, and commitment. When you are working toward achieving your goals, it is really necessary to have patience and perseverance. Many people just starting out make the mistake of setting unrealistic goals for themselves. The fact that they witness other people making thousands of dollars overnight leads them to assume that they can achieve the same thing without putting in the appropriate amount of effort. When they do not see instant results, people who have this perspective frequently experience feelings of disappointment and anger. Setting goals that are attainable in light of your capabilities, finances, and time commitment is essential if you want to avoid this situation. Begin by analyzing your capabilities and identifying areas in which you excel. What are you strong at? To what extent do you need to develop your skills? You will be able to identify what kind of online work or business will be most suitable for you with the assistance of this self-assessment. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for even more awesome side hustle ideas. Getting back to the topic, creating an effective online presence. In the current era of digital technology, it is very necessary for any individual or company that is interested in making money online to have a robust online presence. There are an infinite number of opportunities to generate revenue through the use of the internet, particularly in light of the proliferation of social media and e-commerce platforms. Establishing a website or a social media account is not enough to have a successful online presence. There are other steps that must be taken. Through the course of this video segment, we will delve into the most important methods and pointers for establishing an online presence that is both impactful and profitable from the beginning. Define your target audience. The first thing you need to do in order to construct an efficient online presence is to precisely ascertain who your target audience is. Who is it that you are attempting to communicate with? Can you tell me about their needs and interests? After gaining an understanding of your target demographic, you will be able to better target your content and marketing efforts toward them, which will ultimately lead to increased engagement and conversions. Develop a consistent brand image. In order to construct a powerful brand image on the internet, consistency is of the utmost importance. All of your online platforms should adhere to the same color scheme. logo, fonts, and tone of voice. This includes using the same font combination. A unified brand image not only helps with recognition, but it also helps develop trust with the people who are following your business. Utilize social media. The use of social media has evolved into a strong instrument that can be utilized by individuals and businesses alike to interact with their respective audiences and market their goods or services. When you are just starting out, it is absolutely necessary to establish yourself on the appropriate social media networks. Building a network and establishing credibility. If you want to be successful at making money online, we are going to talk about how important it is to build a network and establish credibility. Having a robust network is absolutely necessary for success in this day and age of digital technology. Opportunities for collaborations, partnerships, and referrals are created as a result of this. The process of constructing a network may initially appear intimidating, particularly for a novice who has little to no prior expertise in the realm of the internet. However, if you have the correct mindset and adopt the appropriate techniques, you can rapidly develop your network and gain the benefits of doing so. In order to begin the process of developing a network, the first step is to choose your target audience or niche. By doing so, you will be able to narrow down your focus and connect with folks who have similar interests or ambitions to your own. For instance, if you are interested in fashion blogging, you may connect with other fashion aficionados by joining online groups or forums that are specifically designed for them. By doing so, you will have the opportunity to interact with others who are already taking an interest in what you have to offer. Engaging in activities on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook is yet another efficient method for expanding your professional acquaintances. Not only do these platforms make it possible for you to communicate with prospective clients or customers, but they also provide you the chance to exhibit your work and position yourself as an authority in your industry. The power of passive income. As we go farther into the digital age, many people are finding that making money online is a popular and rewarding alternative for them to pursue. Opportunities are abounding, regardless of whether you want to use it as a means of supplementing your income or as a means of making a full-time profession out of it. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.